This is a 120-foot spool of Art3d craft wire. This is aluminum wire that has been copper coated to give it a copper look, but aluminum's malleability. So I was sent this to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you $15. They have not paid me for my review, and my opinions remain my own. So inside the outer plastic, we have an inner little bit of plastic here that keeps the wire wrapped up around this roll. And so this is what it looks like. You know, it's very easy to bend by hand. If you want a tight corner, you can grip it with some tools and bend relatively tight corners. I'm going to bend this back and forth, and it broke off there. There is obviously a aluminum colored silver interior with the copper on the outside. Now if you just bend it a few times, if you bend it really far, you can see the aluminum coming out if you do a harsh 90-degree bend like that. But if you're just bending it like this nicely, that copper will not show the aluminum. So, I'm bending this back and forth by hand a few times, and as long as I'm not doing a super sharp bend point there, it's, holding up just fine, that copper coating. So if I go like this with a really tight 90-degree bend, then that aluminum might show through. So that's what you're getting with this art wire.